Hello there, let's attempt that write yourself section for the input function. So let me create a file, touch exercises.py, and let me open exercises. Now 7-1 rental car. Write a program that asks the user what kind of rental car they would like. Print a message about that car, such as, let me see if I can find you a Subaru. Okay, so let's say car equal to input. What kind of rental car would you like? Now I can do car equal to car dot strip dot title. Although it's not mandatory, but I think it's a good idea. Now we just need to print a message. Let me see if I can find you a car. So let's run our code. So let's say Toyota. Let me see if I can find your Toyota in title, and it will also strip it if I add multiple spaces. Now let's comment it out and do this, and now let's comment it out and try the 7-2. Restaurant seating. Write a program that asks the user how many people are in their dinner group. If the answer is more than 8, print a message saying they'll have to wait for a table, otherwise report that their table is ready. Okay, so let's say people count equal to input how many people are in your dinner group. Now remember, we will need to convert it into a number using the int function. int. And if the people count is greater than or equal to what? It's more than 8. So it's greater than 8. Print you will have to wait for a table. Otherwise, we can just say your table is ready. Your table is ready. Let's run our code and see the output. Let's say 5, your table is ready. Let's say 9, you will have to wait for a table. And we can do 8. For 8, table is also ready. Multiples of 10. Ask the user for a number and then report whether the number is multiple of 10 or not. Quite straightforward. In this one, we are actually going to use the modulus operator. So let's say num equal to. We can also convert the number into an integer using this shortcut, and then inside int we can take the input. Tell me a number. Now I can do if num modulus 10 is equal to 0, print now I can do num is a multiple of 10. Otherwise I can just say num is not a multiple of 10. Python exercises.py. Tell me a number. Let's say 20. 20 is a multiple of 10. Let's say 11. 11 is not a multiple of 10. So this is it for this video. I hope it all makes sense. Makes sense, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.